The battle over Alligator Alcatraz, a clash of state and federal powers in immigration. After a highly publicized visit by President Donald Trump and senior officials to the migrant detention facility known locally as Alligator Alcatraz, the federal government is now asserting that it has no involvement in the state-operated facility tucked away in the Florida Everglades. However, the situation is far from straightforward. On Thursday, the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, stated in a legal filing that it is neither responsible for nor has it funded Florida's temporary detention center, often called Alligator Alcatraz in the public discourse. Despite this, on the very same day, the U.S. Justice Department supported the facility by describing it as critical to the aims of federal immigration law. This contradiction lays the groundwork for an intense legal and political debate. But here's where it gets controversial. The Justice Department has consistently defended President Trump's immigration policies in the courts, proudly protecting Alligator Alcatraz against what they describe as baseless, politically motivated legal attacks. Attorney General Pamela Bondi emphasized the importance of maintaining this stance in keeping with the administration's broader immigration agenda. Alligator Alcatraz, managed by the state of Florida, is a project developed with state contractors. Meanwhile, DHS and other federal entities, while maintaining a separation from the project's construction and funding, have also supported its compliance with detention standards to guarantee they meet the requisite federal regulations. This puts Florida in the significant role of funding and overseeing the facility itself. And this is the part most people miss. The federal court filing acknowledges this distinction, highlighting that DHS might not be directly involved in the construction and operation of the site. However, the assertions by DHS Secretary Kristi Noem that the agency provided over $600 million from FEMA for potential reimbursements paints a different picture. Noem mentioned partnering with Florida to establish the facility, reflecting a collaborative approach with the federal government. In a bold contention that could stir debate, Paul Schweep, the leading lawyer in the case, argued that the project effectively entangles federal involvement with state action, questioning the extent of the federal government's role. It raises queries about the true nature of collaboration and accountability between state and federal governments. What do you think? Should federal and state authorities have such intertwined roles in policy implementations? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.